Welcome to the Beginner's Guide. Today we shall discuss about Indian states and their capitals along with union territories. There are 28 states in India. First, Andhra Pradesh state formation 1956, capital Amaravati, official language Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh state formation 1987, capital Itanagar, official language English. Assam state formation 1950, capital Dispur and official language Assamese. Bihar state formation 1912, capital Patna, official language Hindi. Chhattisgarh state formation 2000, capital Naya Raipur, official language Hindi. Goa state formation 1987, capital Panaji, official language Konkani. Gujarat state formation 1960, capital Gandhinagar, official language Gujarati. Haryana state formation 1966, capital Chandigarh, official language Hindi. Himachal Pradesh state formation 1971, capital Shimla in summer and Dharamshala in winter, official languages Hindi. Jharkhand state formation 2000, capital Ranchi, official languages Hindi. Karnataka state formation 1956, capital Bengaluru and official languages Kannada. Kerala state formation 1956, capital Thiruvananthapuram, official language Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh state formation 1956, capital Bhopal, official language Hindi. Maharashtra state formation 1960, capital Mumbai in summer and Nagpur in winter, official language Marathi. Manipur state formation 1972, capital Imphal and official languages Manipuri. Meghalaya state formation in 1972, capital Shillong and official languages English. Mizoram state formation is 1987, capital Aizawl and official language English and Mizo. Nagaland state formation 1963, capital Kohima and official languages English. Odisha state formation in 1936, capital is Bhubaneswar and official languages Odia. Punjab state formation in 1966, capital is Chandigarh and official languages Punjabi. Rajasthan state formation in 1949, capital Jaipur, official languages Hindi. Sikkim state formation 1975, capital Gangtok and official language English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Lepcha. Tamil Nadu state formation 1956, capital Chennai and official languages Tamil. Telangana state formation in 2014, capital is Hyderabad and official languages Telugu. Tripura state formation in 1972, capital is Agartala and official languages English and Kokbork. Uttar Pradesh state formation in 1937, capital is Lucknow and official languages Hindi. Uttarakhand state formation in 2000, capital is Dehradun and official languages Hindi. West Bengal state formation in 1950, capital is Kolkata and official languages Bengali and English. There are 8 union territories in India. Andaman and Nicobar Islands UT formation in 1956, capital is Port Blair and official languages Hindi and English. Chandigarh UT formation in 1966, capital is Chandigarh and official languages English. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Earlier they were both different union territories, now they are combined in 2020. Capital is Daman and official language is English, Gujarati, Marathi and Hindi. Delhi. Union Territory formation in 1956. Capital is New Delhi and official languages are Hindi and English. Jammu and Kashmir. Union Territory was formed in 2019. Capital is Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter. Official languages are Urdu, Kashmiri, English and Dogri. Lakshadweep. Union Territory was formed in 1956. Capital is Karavati. Official language is English and Malayalam. Ladakh. Union Territory was formed in 2019. Capital is Leh and Kargil. Official languages are Hindi and English. Puducherry. Union Territory was formed in 1962. Capital is Pondicherry and official languages are English, Tamil and French. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.